Oh, and a song to hum along with and sway.
Get your perfect entertaining start to the day.
At 9 a.m. every weekday morning with
Mahima's Good Morning
Bay.
Good morning, Bay. आप सभी लोग हमारी तरफ से एक प्यार भरा नमस्ते.
Namaskar.
Vanakkam.
Namaskara.
Risham.
Assalamu alaikum.
सत श्री अकाल.
Meegandriki Vandanamu.
जय स्वामीनारायण.
जय श्री कृष्णा.
जय जिनेंद्र.
हमारे भाई बंधुओं को बोल दे या अली मदद.
मोलाली बंदर बोलते हुए सारे फीजी बंदर को बोलेंगे इस्तांबुल बलजन. हम आ गए हैं प्यारे महिमा के द्वारा. मैं से फालतू बाबा.
And of course, myself, Faltu Rani, लेकर आपके लिए all time that's going to make it totally exciting and totally mastani badajani for the next week of the new year. Another
Well,
exciting action-packed week.
Ready or not, here it comes, Balajan. Can you imagine, Father, 1 week is just flew by. Chuk.
I know, I cannot
And
even
it has
believe
been
it.
300 days of us sheltering in place, Faltani.
Wow.
Yeah, we all should have had 6 packs by now. Go by the movie reference, 300.
Oh God. Yeah.
Excuse me.
But I wish everybody like that guy. What's his name?
Gerard Butler.
Gerard Butler. But what?
I look like Indian version of him. People say I don't know how far it's true, but anyways.
You look like
The Indian version of without the beard or mustache, because I'm a, I have a baby face.
Oh God.
And that's why I suppose Faltani. I could not get all those roles because I have baby face. Cute, baby face. What, Faltani?
Started first thing in the morning, but Jan.
Why not? Excuse me.
It's good to know Altu Baba is, as usual, his
lovely, lovable self. Yes, thank you so
God,
much.
obnoxious self is what I was going to say, but that's okay. That's fine.
Well,
Alright.
obnoxiously lovable, Manager. I can't help it. Well, Manager, today's show, what is going to happen? We're going to share with you guys updates on what's happening locally, Manager. And also, I know everybody's wondering what's happening with the national level, what's going to happen with the, the impeachment part of it. All the information is going to come to you guys today for sure, Manager. And also, we'll talk about what's happening in social media, because social media seems to be transforming in 2021, Manager.
Yeah.
When I say transforming, actually, the things, there was a time or two years ago, Father, I talked about the fact that there should be a total different nation for Facebook and everything.
Yeah.
Remember, we had talk about it because they're populating Facebook.
Correct.
It's as big as any nation out there. And some of our big billionaire annual income and GDP of nations, by the way. So I don't know. Probably the future is going towards not countries but companies. Twitter decided to ban a leader of a nation.
Oh.
Seriously, I sometimes feel sorry for us.
I think it's a good that they decided to ban him. Because
No, I know. What I'm saying is the impact, what's happening, right? The way they've been particular area to make a decision.
Yeah.
Right. Social media has an impact on our lives, Raja. I don't know if you noticed it. They should take responsibility on what I'm trying to say. And in a way, I agree with the senators and Congress people who actually are the House members who actually thought about the responsibility of the lies on the social media to make sure data doesn't get misused.
Yeah.
A lot of things, brother, about that. You'll have to stay tuned to the news first to go into that for sure. Like, a quick look at what's happening on the roads for you guys, because some of you are still some of you are not sheltering in, but nevertheless, there's traffic on the road. Let's see what's happening on there with us. Take a halt. Total system.
It's time for the Bandu traffic update. Call us from wherever you are at 408-912-2479.
Well, people are still in the sheltering in place. Please be sheltered in place because the COVID situation is not eased up for us over here still, Banajan. Though sad part, California Faltoni has the highest or the highest standards for sheltering in, right? We also have the highest rates of COVID situations over here, of COVID cases.
Yeah. Oh, area.
Not all of California, actually.
Right.
I'm talking about California as a state, right? Of all 51 states, right?
Right.
We supposedly have the most stringent regulations, thanks to Gavin Newsom. But still, in spite of that, we're having a huge case of new cases of corona,
Surge.
and also huge surge actually over the weekend. As very disturbing. California cases actually went up by 2%.
Wow.
That's like 49,000 new cases have been come up from the previous day.
Wow.
Not counting the previous day. From the previous day, 49 new cases. And unfortunately, deaths also have gone up by almost 1.5%. We lost around close to 500 people to this particular pandemic, Ranjan. So please be mindful. We are not clear. We are in the purple as yet. So mindful of that one for sure. In terms of people on the roads, I think people seem to be actually adhering to sheltering in place. I don't see much of congestion on the freeways. Good news. But there's some accident on the bridge. Watch out for that. A northbound at the 80 West ramp on Oakland area. The lane is blocked over there because of this. Watch out for that. And it's very close to Treasure Island. Now, there's actually near Toll Plaza, actually, in Fremont Street in San Francisco, actually. Accident of no, not an accident. I'm sorry. There's a fog which actually is pretty thick and dense. People asking to be careful about driving that region. It's hazardous. Speaking of accidents in San Francisco, there's a really severe traffic alert because of a disabled truck trailer on 280 northbound exiting at Geneva Avenue in San Francisco. The off ramp is blocked. It's been drive safely, Balajan. God knows. I did not mention what it was carrying, but it is overturned. I hope it's not any hazardous equipment or there. Could probably put people in danger. So for that, for sure, Balajan. Temp-wise or weather-wise, if you look at it's awesome weather because we're in California. It's going to be cloudy all the way until 1 p.m. today, Balajan. Probably will burn up the clouds by late afternoon because Pam Pam is going to come on air. And as you know, when you come on air, we burn up the airwaves. That's Balajan. It's going to be a pretty cold day. Watch out for that. 43 degrees lowest and maximum we're going to have 61 degrees. So probably a wind cheater or a layer up for sure. No rains. If you're wondering rain or not, no, I don't think it's going to rain even this week. Probably even the weekend is going to be pretty sunny and nice for us. So if you were planning to do something on the weekend, it's good. Hey, is this weekend going to be something like a long weekend, something, Faltrani?
Yes, this weekend is going to be, isn't it, Martin Luther King
there's going to be, so please, Banjam, please be mindful. As I told you, the coronavirus thing is not taking a holiday. It is still working really hard to survive, I suppose, and we need to make sure we can curb it somehow or the other. This weekend also, if you're planning to travel and everything, keep it at the most minimum level.
Right.
And if you can, please, physical distancing is very, very important. Stay healthy. I think that should be something which you got to underscore right now because vaccines coming in are taking some time to get to people. In the meanwhile, but then you got to stay. How do you stay healthy? Make sure you wash your hands very clearly. When you go out to meet people, physical distancing very key. Wear a mask for sure, and then make sure you're eating right. Eating right is not eating all kinds of fried items and all, which is giving your immune system, a kind of a jack to not work properly. It's more like, trying to see if you can eat healthy vegetables if possible. That way you're supporting the farmers also. Economy also keeps growing. And then, of course, as much as possible, I would say, exercise. Go in the open. Spend time in the parks. Yeah, but make sure you're physical distancing all that, right? That's very important.
Right.
And occasionally go for walks. That's all very good and nice. If you're going to work from home, it's more important because staying at home and working actually doubles your pressure. So you got to be careful about that also, Balajan. If you want any hints and tips about all those things, go to our news blog, Media Mahima, and you can check out other sources which are like YouTube and everything where we actually talk about all these things, Balajan.
Yeah.
And right now, that was your update for what's happening on the traffic and everything. Look into the headlines for our bandhus. Fadhani, what do you have?
Baba, the Democrats are beginning to drive to force Trump from office. Marriott and Cross have actually suspended donations to U.S. lawmakers who voted against the Biden administration. Small businesses.
Oh, they can do that?
Yeah, they
Wow.
actually, they're donations. They can decide who they want to donate to.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Big pharma and insurance
I
companies.
know, they rule.
Well, U.S. Small businesses are going to get more small business loans or cash as the pandemic loan program reopens. SolarWinds hackers linked to known Russian tools investigating. Aptiv unveils a new self-driving platform with wireless upgrades. Twitter shares diving at about 7% after account suspension. Wall Street set to slip from all-time highs after a strong run. A union minister in India, Shripad Nayak, has been injured in a road accident. Wife and close aide died in that particular accident.
Wow.
Modi's message to politicians on the first phase of the COVID vaccination exercise is about saying that we are part of it. So they are not part of the first rollout, apparently. They're giving it to the first responders and the healthcare
See,
professionals.
that is wonderful. That's what I was expecting to happen over here. It didn't happen. The presidents had to be given the first preference.
Yeah.
Anyway, Bajan, right now, the lines. If you want to go into the news in detail, you got to stay tuned because we got to in just a few minutes. Bajan, Paru se pehle look at our Ganika Kida Bajan. And today, of course, we're going to, from Shiva. From the movie, I forget the movie name. The movie name itself is Shivaya. No, is it, what is
Shivaya.
it? Shivaya movie name itself? In that, I think, first time, Bacha done some good, proper, rapping. This has Chawan's voice, Sukhwinder in it, and also has Mithun, who actually has done the music direction for it. Uska awaaz bhi hai isme. Another song, it's called Bolo Har 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 Har. Let's get here, the Har 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 Har. I'm talking about the president.
है माला वही है मन का मस्त मलंग वो अपनी धुन का अंतर मंतर तंत्र ज्ञानी है सर्वज्ञ स्वाभिमानी मृत्युंजय है महाविनाश ओंकार है इसी की वाणी भांग धतूरा बेल का पत्ता तीनों लोग इसी की सत्ता विष पीकर भी अडिग अमर है महादेव हर हर है जपता वही शून्य है वही इकाई वही शून्य है वही इकाई वही शून्य है वही इकाई जिसके भीतर बसा शिवाय.
Yeah, but Didjan, you know why I thought about this already?
Why?
Shiva is considered to be his personification, or should I say, a symbolism of some ending.
Oh.
He brings the end to things.
Uh-huh.
Like enough of coronavirus, just bring end.
Oh, really?
Enough of the virus at the White House.
Oh. तो har. Yeah, हरा दो. Totally.
Hara di already, but har kind of cleared the whole thing.
Yeah.
But then everybody has a wonderful 2021. Again, wishing people who actually we missed out to wish, or rather missed out to actually listen to our wishes. But then happy New Year to you guys.
Yeah.
But then let's go see what's with the news in detail. If you want to catch up the news in detail, I told you right where you can go. It's MediaMahima.com. That's why Banjan, MediaMahima.com, and wishing everybody out there. Okay, somebody is asking us on Facebook whose voice it is. That is Badshah's voice, and this is my voice.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a voice that looks like a Badshah. That's Badshah's voice.
And good morning to all our bandhus joining us on Facebook as well.
Just Vishal ji saying goodbye to us.
Oh, Vishalji, good morning. Shri Ajobaji, good morning to you as well. And bandhus, everybody who's joining us from all over the world, thank you so much. You can continue to listen to our awesome music and radio programming by downloading the Radio Jihadis app on iOS and Android, or just leave your computer on radiojihadis.com. We promise you there's no ugly pop-ups or any of that stuff that comes up. It's just pure, plain, vanilla music. Not
wonder why? We don't know how to do it.
We have a very simple website, but it's very
it's
simple.
Totally it's
A
something
clean
which
one
in-house.
page.
Yeah, it's very one page. We don't want to pay it. We don't know how to pull it off. So don't
Yeah,
worry about it. As long as
exactly.
we don't do it, it's good, right?
But we welcome volunteers because we don't have money to pay. So just letting you know. But here's the thing. If you want to help us with any one of our programming or advertise, or you want to get message out, you want to donate, you're more than welcome to. Banjan Media Mahima is a legally registered not-for-profit organization.
Yeah.
And we would like to send this up to all bandhus. If you guys want to support this organization, want to be part of it, want to be on the board, please reach out to Media Mahima by emailing us at bandhu@mediamahima.com. But let's go to the news. We are at a strange stage of the coronavirus vaccine rollout. In nations where vaccines have been authorized, criticism is now mounting over shortages and delays in getting the shots into people's arms. However, some hospitals in the United States have had to throw out doses. Remember, these vaccines have to be stored at certain specific conditions because their supply and demand levels don't match up. Countries are also struggling to keep up with new coronavirus variants, and in the US, that effort is complicated by out-of-date data. Because the US is so slow at collecting virus samples compared with other countries, the data used to track the variants is now 12 months old. And you can blame this squarely on the changes that the Trump administration put in.
And the non-cooperation for the transition team. Well, I just want to say that because I also want to tell you, give a shout out to all the people out there who are nurses, who actually probably retired. Please see if you can go back to your works, because they're finding they require staff to be able to administer the virus, the vaccines also. So please see if you want to volunteer back or get hired back.
Yeah. And some sad news that broke over the weekend, Banajan, was that Indonesia's national, there's a flight that went missing, which is the Sriwijaya Air Flight 182. You remember the Malaysian Airlines flight? Similar to that.
Yeah.
This just went missing. Now,
they never found anything of that, right? Nothing was not even a black box, right?
Nothing. They couldn't find anything of that particular flight, but this is another flight, and Indonesia's National Search and Rescue Agency is still searching for some of the 62 people aboard the Sriwijaya Air Flight 182, which crashed into the ocean Saturday shortly after taking off from Jakarta. Rescuers have located the black box flight recorder from the Boeing 737-500, but their recovery efforts have been hampered by debris in the water. The Boeing 737-500 model that crashed is not the same as the 737 MAX, and it does not have the cockpit software that contributed to the two fatal 737 MAX crashes. Still, the wreck is the latest tragedy to plague Indonesia's burgeoning airline sector. In 2007, the European Union banned all 51 Indonesian airlines from its airspace after a crash killed about 140 people, and then in 2018 they were finally reinstated, and now this crash happened. So it's really sad, but if you want to catch up on that story, we'll share it on MediaMahima.com. Let's go on over to the White House transition. The inauguration of President-elect Joe Biden is now 9 days away, and the Washington Mayor Muriel Bowser has asked the Trump administration for emergency to bolster security ahead of the event.
Oh yeah, that they have to do it. You know why?
Yeah.
Trump is attending the thing, so you can imagine if he means what's going to happen.
There is a reason why he's not attending.
Yeah.
Yeah. He is only the fourth president in the entire history of the United States of America to boycott his successor's inauguration.
Who was the first one?
The other
Nixon.
three were Van Buren, Wilson, and Nixon. Yeah, Mike Pence, however, has said that he will attend, further underscoring the critical break between Trump and his VP. And yesterday I was reading a news article where they say that after that, the riot out, like not even the riots, Trump has not spoken to Mike Pence at all. They've not communicated at all.
Do you know what they had as agenda on the mob, right? I read an article about that, and also they talked about videos and all.
Yeah.
They were actually going to be hurting or trying to get even with Nancy Pelosi, Schumer, and Pence was on the list.
Yeah. Because he was not backing the Trump. That was one of the things. And also, an African American lawmaker, right? They said that his unmarked office is where he was hiding. And they actually, or where he was going to hide, but somebody pointed him to that, the protesters' office.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. So, and they had nooses hanging outside Banajan.
No, they were actually trying to be a lynch mob, actually. If you ask me.
Yeah. Anyway, this particular event is pared down in the face of the pandemic. Usually 200,000 tickets offered up to spectators, but this year, this event is going to be largely virtual, and members of Congress will receive tickets for themselves and one guest only. And in the meanwhile, let's talk a little bit about those riots. Since last week's violent breach at the US Capitol, President Trump has been banned from Twitter and other social media outlets. Companies have also distanced themselves from him in other ways, and facing the real possibility of becoming the first president ever to be impeached twice. Since there are only a few days left in his presidency, impeachment proceedings for Trump, led by the House Democrats, stretch into the Biden administration. Meanwhile, federal authorities are looking into the planning and coordination among the Capitol insurgents, including member law enforcement and the military. Oh my God. Officials are also planning for the possibility of more violence leading up to Wednesday's inauguration, and as a part of a security ramp-up, members of Congress will get increased security as they travel through airports. On one more social media note, you remember Parler, the alternative app, which is favored by the conservatives or the right wing?
Yeah.
They have been booted by Amazon, Apple, and Google for posts inciting violence.
And any news about the WhatsApp thing, Father? There's also there's an alternative signal, I believe, which is coming up.
Yeah, well, I don't know about Signal, but Telegram apparently has more features. More people are adopting to Telegram. But one thing is for certain, Bandhujan, a clear clarification was issued by Facebook, which they clearly state, if you have a Facebook account, we already have your information.
Yeah.
They say only business data is going to be shared, and it's not individual users' data that's being shared.
Yeah, business data
And your messages are still going to be encrypted. It's not like you post a message to your I don't know, your secret girlfriend or your secret boyfriend, and that goes on Facebook. That's not the way it works. And people are like, oh my God, all our information is going to go public. When you go on social media, you're already putting it out there. It's in the ether.
Yeah, it's already there. So once you're there, if you're not there ever, okay, a newborn baby gets on Signal, it's probably fine. Because in terms of security and everything, if you look at Signal, it's supposed to be ranked second because of the end-to-end encryption they already have.
So does WhatsApp.
WhatsApp is ranked 40th because it has a lot of loopholes in it.
Really?
Suppose security loopholes, so people can actually hack into your WhatsApp account very easily, is what they say.
Oh.
So I don't know how far it's true. I never heard of Signal until 2 days ago. Is it better than WhatsApp? I don't know. I think we should do a report on that. We'll probably do a report on President to you guys on Wednesday.
Yeah.
WhatsApp Wednesday. I keep.
Right. Well, either way, Spanjan, there's a whole bunch of other news, including the fact that, I shared the headlines earlier. We'll try to share it on Facebook, but congressional Democrats are beginning their drive to force Donald Trump out of office with a House vote on the articles of impeachment expected as early as this Wednesday. That could make him the only president to be in twice. News from India, I shared that India. Oh, there's another news item that came out of India, that India is kicking off its largest ever coastal defense exercise called Sea Vigil, with all maritime stakeholders led by the Navy swinging into action along the country's 7,516-kilometer coastline, including island territories and 2 million square kilometers exclusive economic zone. Anushka Sharma and Virat Kohli welcome a baby girl, and so Twitter is ablaze with a whole bunch of comments pouring in. And also, the High Court has expressed reservations on invoking the sedition case against Kangana Ranaut and her sister, and they continue their interim protection that's being offered for them.
Wow. And I think Anushka Sharma and Virat Kohli's child is going to be called Vian.
Really? It's a girl.
And we?
Maybe. More.
I don't
But
know. That's what they do, right?
we'll bring you that information shortly. But let's also tell you that if you want to catch up on more of these news items, you can go to MediaMahima.com. That's all we have for you on this morning's Good. We'll be back tonight live at 5 on the Pam Pam Show. Till then, have yourselves a wonderful, magnificent Monday. Stay safe, stay healthy, and most importantly, stay happy.
आदि ना अंत है उसका, वो सबका ना इनका उनका, वही है मन का मस्त मलंग, वो अपनी धुन पर मंत्र तंत्र ज्ञानी है, सर्वज्ञ स्वाभिमानी, मृत्युंजय है महाविनाशी, ओंकार है इसी की वाणी, इसी की वाणी, इसी की वाणी। भांगड़ा बेल का पत्ता तीनों इसी की सत्ता, विष पी कड़िक अमर है महादेव, हर हर है जपता। वही वही इकाई, वही शून्य है वही इकाई, वही शून्य है वही इकाई, जिसके भीतर बसा शिवाय।